So you want to know what's in the RV?
Well, keep watching.
Dear black girl, it's your style.
Hey y'all, it's the Hershey Kisses. Today y'all, we will be doing a RV tour showing you all our RV. So let's get into the video.
Hello, this section is the outside of the RV. I will be your tour guide, Karis. So this is the door to the RV. This is the mirror. These are engine stuff. Then this is a little compartment where you can put stuff. These are some outlets for the outside. Then over here, this is like the trunk, basically. And we have some yard signs in here for when we're campaigning. And we have some boxes in there, our pliers. Then you come over here, this is the ladder. This is how you get to the top. Also some clips of me at the top. Then we have a water tank right here. This is how you would get your hose and then import water into the RV if you need to use it. City water, gas, another compartment here. The shower stuff for the outside of the RV. Then we have another poster. So Boat La Sosa view of the RV. I'm about to take you inside of the RV for this section. I am your tour guide, Kady. Come on in. You might look at this space and be like, whoo, it is very, very small. So this is not small. I am going to turn on the RV. Now watch this. You see all that space? Yes. All right, so let me give y'all a tour. So guys, this looks like a regular car. On here, we don't have any mirror. Here you can turn on a light like this, turn it off, or cup holders. We also have our literature down here, and yeah. So up here we have some covers, and this is like the overhead bed. These are our sleeping bags. We have some pillows and a cover. That is a little cooler, a window. It's not automatic. Open or close wherever you like. And stick your head out. Hello. All right, 2 people can lay down on there once you extend all the covers. And there's also 2 cup holders up there. All right, so we're done with that. Here are some cabinets. These are pretty empty right now, but me and Karis usually put our luggage in there when we're traveling and camping. Over the door, we have their cabinet, and usually just a gaming cabinet. So if we want to play games, wherever we're going, we can pull them out. Okay, y'all, so this is now the bed. You can relax and enjoy the seating arrangement. Alright, so this is a table with a nice TV that comes with the RV. You can sit down and enjoy some talks and games, but then it turns into a what? Bed is much more bigger than the couch bed.
This is the back, and there's amazing stuff inside. There's this right here, and there's this, and come and sit down right here, and you will see stuff inside that's clean. It has a fan.
Is this a shower right here?
Yeah, it's This is beautiful, and this is the smooth bed. Actually, the bed is for sleeping and sitting to watch stuff for the TV. And this is a seat for someone to live outside. Firstly, this thing is for people to make sure their responsibilities are erased. And this is beautiful. This is for you where you can cook. This is for you everywhere, sweetie. This is the water sink. This is the stove. And that's the microwave. It can cook anything that's in there. Click here if you want to see more tour videos. Click there. Click the bell too.
Hershey Kisses out.